Yes, looking good, guys. Hello. The reason you're by yourself is because you keep fighting with your siblings. Just get out. Hello. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another house plant rescue video for you, and today's is the update on the aloe vera pups that I had a go at propagating. So I'm going to link the original video down below in case you haven't seen that one already to show you the process, and now I'm going to show you how they've all got on. So this is the parent. I don't know if it's a mum or a dad. Do we do that with plants? Let's call it the daddy. So this one is where I took the babies from, but it's got some dead leaves on it now, so I'm just going to pull those off just while I'm talking to you. I don't know whether I should bury this one a bit lower now. I think I kind of want to get these leaves down to the surface of the soil. Let me know what you think. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. This one isn't looking too great. Something's not quite right with it, and I can't put my finger on it. But let's get rid of these dead leaves and then see what we're left with. They're coming off quite easily, so yeah, so they're all off. So that's what we're left with. Shall I bury it a bit deeper maybe? I'm not sure. But yeah, obviously it's still alive, it's still happy. So I just need to figure out what to do with this one, because it's a bit wibbly wobbly, which I'm not sure it's loving. But let's show you how the babies are getting on. So here they are. Now these ones were from the pups, so there we go, looking very, very healthy. I haven't done much with these at all. I've barely watered them. I think I've watered them maybe a couple of times, given them a good soaking, imagining that they're in the desert and then it's a big thunderstorm. That's what I'm thinking is going to make these guys happy, trying to do their natural habitat, and then letting them completely dry out again, and that seems to be doing the trick. Yeah, so maybe that's had a bit too much water. But this one is looking really good. So we've got 3 going on in there, and we've also got this one here, who's by himself, because as you will have seen, he keeps arguing with his siblings. I don't know why, but they do. We did have a casualty in this process, so I tried the technique of cutting a leaf off to try to propagate from a leaf, and this is what we were left with. Oh dear. Yeah, we are literally left with a a dried out nothing. But I kept it to show you because I thought it'd be worth showing you that one, and obviously I've failed miserably with that. Maybe when I cut it the knife was dirty, the cut might not have been clean enough. I don't know, maybe I should have started it off in water and not soil. No idea. But you know, we've got to try these things, right? So yeah, I mean, I have got 4 babies on the go from this aloe vera plant, so it has been successful, and the parent, the daddy, is still going strong. So overall, we're doing all right, I think. Let me know all your tips down in the comments below. You guys have been so helpful to me, and I really, really appreciate all of your tips and advice on getting my houseplants looking really good and keeping them alive, which is what we are here for in this little plant series. So yeah, any tips would be more than welcome. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know how your plants are doing. Tag me in all of your pictures. My social media links are below, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.